Hi there guys, I'm back again with a new unboxing. Today I'm unboxing the DDJ-XP1 Controller from Pioneer. I'll also be doing the unboxing for the DJC-STS1 Stand as well for this unit. It can be used for the RMX 1000 and also the Toe-Rise sampler. From Pioneer, also with multiple other equipment like laptops can support the weight of it. But anyway, this is the unboxing for it, so I hope you enjoy it. Yeah. Thought it was time to get a new sampler to go with my DJ workstation. I hope you've all had a good start to the year. But anyway, this is the first video for my YouTube of 2018, and yes. Anyway, here it is. Put it out of the way. Yeah, it just comes in a nicely packed box. Good packaging from Bax. This is the unit here. It's a little dusty, but yeah, obviously it's come straight out of a warehouse. But yeah, this is the unit for the that holds the DDJ-XP1 controller. Has 32 pads. That's the side of it, and yep, back of it for the information on the back. Just says DJ controller in different languages. It says 32 colour performance pads, but it can be doubled up to 64 with what I've heard. But I still am not used to the unit because I've never used it yet, so when I do, then yeah, I guess I'll find that out. But yeah, it's for laptops, connecting to laptops, and you can connect it also to your CDJs and your XDJ players. There's no sellotape on the box, which is kind of weird. They usually, I don't know if I remember if Pioneer put sellotape on their boxes or not, but there's no sellotape, so I hope it's brand new. But either way, yeah, there's the packaging. There's sellotape on this, so I'm guessing it's not being used, so it must be brand new. But yeah, anyway, it comes with a USB lead to connect to your laptop, or you can use it to connect to your CDJ NXS2 players. CDJ 2000 NXS2 players, sorry. Comes with some information, looks like Chinese, Japanese, in Japanese, with other information in different languages. Yeah, that's that. And then this is the actual unit here. Just some styrofoam, there's nothing else in the box. So, yeah. This way round. And here it is, guys. The DDJ-XP1 controller. Well, this is going to be going over my mixing section of my booth. For the time being, we'll be connected to my CDJ 2000 NXS2 because I think you need to have a mixer that's capable to send the data through USB. So you need a USB mixer, I think, connected to Rekordbox for it to fully enable this device properly. I haven't got one of them yet. I was waiting out for the DJM 2000 NXS2, but they haven't released it yet, so I don't know what's going on there. But obviously my main focus this year is my trip. But I said I'm going to do a couple of unboxings this year, and I'm going to do a couple of unboxings this year. But anyway, yeah, it's got 16 sensitive pads. They are quite they're rugged. They are rugged. They feel good. These are more buttony type stuff. They're like buttons, and then this wheel feels quite like the CDJ. A little plasticky, but well, yeah, it is kind of plastic. It is plastic, this piece. But yeah, it seems like it'll standard test of time as all Pioneer gear usually do. You've got your FX strip here, so you can raise a level up and back down. I'm not too sure what the hold does, but I guess once you've used it, you can hold it in place where it is, so it'll stay there. And then obviously you can press it to release it. I'm guessing that's what it does. But anyway, I'm new to this unit, so I'm new to starting out with performance-based DJing. When I give it a go, it's got deck 3, deck 4, so you can change it. So you can have up to 4 decks connected to this, and control the pads through up to 4 decks. But as I said, I think you need a mixer to connect the decks to, and then the mixer is connected to your computer, plus this is connected to the computer, and then it triggers it off through Rekordbox. It comes with the Rekordbox DJ license and also the DVS license add-on for digital vinyl system. I am yet to take that on, but one day I hopefully will. It's all about progression in bits, you know. You save hard, you get the best, you know. Like I don't work in the best job, but I save hard. I don't do a lot, but yeah, it pays off in the end, because this is my hobby and I want to put good money into my hobby. It's just the way it is. But anyway guys, that's the unit. Like, it's got a Kensington lock on the back if you want to like lock the unit down to the booth that you're in or whatever, for safety and security. And then also just a USB, and on the back of it it's just some more information. Pioneer DJ controller, model DDJ-XP1, and it's powered by a 5-volt USB. It says Pioneer DJ Corporation, blah, blah, blah. That's it, serial number, and it was produced in November, I guess. But yeah, anyway, that's the DDJ-XP1, and next month I'll be unboxing the DJC-STS1 Stand from Pioneer to accompany this over my mixing desk area, or my mixing area, to my booth. Anyway, thank you guys. Hope you have a great rest of the year to come. I'm in plans of an American trip in September, so yeah, that's the way it is. All the best guys. See you again next month for the next unboxing. Cheers guys.